Hey guys, this is Brittany Schulman
and Cassandra Jaramillo,
and we're here at Rooster Teeth, which is an award-winning production studio.
It's going to be fun to check out today. So guys, here at Rooster Teeth, we're in the merchandising office where the team is working on new stuff that they're making, which is pretty cool, and it's nice to look at the old stuff that they've made.
Hello, my name is Barbara Dunkelman. I work for Rooster Teeth, and I also voice Yang from Ruby. She's pretty awesome.
So Barbara is also the voice of this character here, Orf.
Hello, how are you functioning today? Yay!
So this is where they build sets for new shows that they come out with here at Rooster Teeth. Yeah.
Alright, hi, my name is Michael Hadwin, and I'm the Director of Game Development here at Rooster Teeth. Currently we're working on a game called Ruby Grim Eclipse. It's a 4-player co-op action.
So to my right, these are all animators working on Ruby. We can't show you what's on their screens, but we can tell you you'll be seeing it soon.
Oh, you can read this.
Yeah.
I'm John Reisinger, and we're about to get ready for On the Spot, going live at 5 o'clock for sponsors. You guys should watch it.
So employees who have been with Rooster Teeth longer than a year get their own caricature on the wall. You met Barbara earlier. Here's her beautiful photo, and everyone else's.